5%. Y'all can't see it. I mean, y'all can't. Y'all can see a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, she got decals. I think this is the first time after they've seen it on here.
Remember we did that quick trip?
That was mine.
Oh yeah.
And we're doing yours. She got that 5%. Y'all have to tell her to get this 5%. You can't go back and it's dark. You want your privacy. Front windshield ain't tinted, but you know, we got the bullhorn right there. Yeah, follow her on her Instagram.
That's Snapchat.
Oh, me Snapchat.
Instagram back there though.
DTX download. Y'all ain't posted in so long. It's a little dark in here. What's this place called? National Autos on Buckner. Y'all hit them up, they'll give y'all the best deals. I'm trying to get the camera right. Oh yeah, she doing it.
This is so not staying.
Wingstop.com now and get it delivered right to your door. And for a limited time, receive your proof with our all-in bundle for $19.99.
God,
Participation may vary. See Wingstop.com for details.
Or you should have.
Where flavor gives it wings. 1029.
Dallas, Fort Worth.
Hold on, I seen it here.
Blade.
Support is sponsored by
Maybe you can smooth the top part of it off, I don't know.
Fresh and 69-cent takeoff from 7-Eleven with 7 rewards and Carol with a big bite hot dog. They might know you.
And you better not see it don't work.
7-Eleven.
That's a big ass thing.
69 cents plus tax.
It ain't sharp enough.
Here's your chance to win $1,000. Text the nationwide keyword family to 200.
Yes, sir.
Information text and info. Standard data and message rate apply in this nationwide contact. That's family to 200.
But don't get that underscore.
Imagine Dragon. That's not just Charlie Cruz.
Rona?
Rona?
1029.
Bitch. Oops, I ripped it a little bit. I'm gonna pay some for this shit.
Yeah, I would've ripped that shit off. I remember I was trying to put my, what was it, my screen protector on my iPad and on my phone. I get so mad I broke the damn screen protector. I was like, fuck this shit. I ripped it up and broke it.
It's like something I'll do.
That's the hard part.
Bitch. Well, I'm not going to them no more.
Maybe it's pulling up the wrong way.
We're just gonna blame them.
Yeah.
Just go going down. So I never listen to radio here in my car.
Y'all, we got more videos to do. I got more videos to do. I'm sorry I've been slacking. I need to get it together. I apologize. I really did get it together. I ain't uploaded in 3 freaking weeks, but I got videos for y'all coming soon. Right along here. Yeah, she got 5%, y'all. Like, this is dark.
And I can barely see the daytime.
For real. She already blind.
Clean. I need a good picture.
I like that one.
I don't even fuck.
It ain't cricket.
This side higher than that side.
I don't see it. The Snapchat logo ain't even. It's a little higher than the letter. It looks nice. I like it. Follow her on Snapchat. I mean, add her on Snapchat. How y'all like it? Oh yeah, thumbnail. Hold on. Wait, let me get on this side. Wait. All right. Yeah, she got a bullhorn. He's fixing it right now. It's dark, huh?
I don't know. Jeez.
Oh, Snapchat.
What's this thing?
It's like Instagram.
make a low hard.
Your door ain't unlocked, is it? No. Dude, that's dark.
I said then there's a windshield.
You got this little thing right here, and it's already dark right here. Who black F-250 that is? This is my truck. This video as long as possible. So guys, I got a list of videos I'm trying to do. What? That video was clean, but it's long like a Jaguar.
Yeah, I'm tatty.
Y'all follow me on my social media and follow her too. Y'all need to give me more focus. There you go. Y'all need to give me more video ideas to do. And then here's my Snapchat. Get out the damn. You focusing. There you go. There you go. Rest in peace, King Von. Camera look good. I need another.
I look orange.
I don't know what mode I'm shooting in right now, but as y'all heard, King Von has passed away. Shout out to Tyler Barnes, put me on, you know what I'm saying? Good artist. And sadly, he has passed away today. Y'all look. So 5% is basically limo tint. Okay. I had that on my Mustang, y'all, as y'all remember before I sold it. Y'all didn't get to really see much content on that one, but I'm fine. I'm happy it's sold. Are they?
Is that too big? Sorry.
What's too big?
That one too big.
They gonna make it work. Horn. Gotcha. Oh, they got a switch thing right there. The switch is right there for the
Where?
the little red little switch is right there.
But you pointed down here.
You probably didn't see me. I was like right here. Is it on already? He's fixing it now.
Do you have the receipt?
Yeah.
See? Yeah. You got it.
No, it gives you a warranty.
Oh, warranty?
Yeah, I have it in the car. Is it only 30 days?
Yeah,
Okay.
3 days, yeah. The switch is...
So can you turn it up all the way? Is it up the hot super girl? The bullhorn? The bullhorn is like right here. Turn some jams on.
I really should turn on my Bluetooth because that will be loud.
Your Bluetooth not on? Hey, let me see. Look how fast I just switched this dark ass tent. Bro, hold on, record this. next video. Subscribe, like, comment, all that, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.